When to use discovery campaigns? So discovery campaigns are really good for the top of the funnel traffic. To get a conversion, first you need to know people to know you. If they know you, they may like you, and if they like you, they are going to trust you. So it's a three-step process: know, like, and trust. If they don't know you, they are not aware of your brand, how will they like you? And if they don't like you, they're not going to trust you, and hence you won't get any conversions. So very few companies pay any attention to the top of the funnel traffic. All of them want to go at the bottom of the funnel. Oh, we need conversions, we need calls, we need sales. Well, that is going to happen once people are aware of you. Why do I go live stream at least twice a week right now? But when COVID started in the first year, we were doing live stream once a day, every weekday, 5 times a week. Is first of all to help everyone who we all were stuck, and we had not seen anything like it. And secondly, to get in front of my audience as much as I can. So discovery is where you can get in front of your audience at a fraction of the cost. Very few people do this, and I would highly recommend that you start doing it, because you are pixeling it. What you want to do is to, instead of cost per lead, we are looking at cost per pixel. And if you can pixel them into viewing your video, so anyone who is watching or viewing this video right now, they're getting pixeled. I can go after you or follow up with my remarketing campaigns to anyone who has viewed my videos, right? Or anyone who has been to my landing page or website, I can remarket to them. So that is the sole purpose of these discovery, as the name said, is discovery. You get discovered, and then you are pushing them further and further down the funnel. You got to get them into the funnel first. So that's why the discovery, I love these discovery campaigns. They are really, really good. So don't say, oh, I spent $100 and I've got zero conversions. They are not meant for that. You got to look at the cost per pixel. That's what we look at, is how much is costing us to pixel somebody.